so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're here at Dig It in Torrance, California. And this place is really cool because it's all about construction. Woohoo! Yeah, and construction vehicles. Whoa! Like this tractor. Woo! Yeah, it also has all kinds of vehicles like cement mixers, excavators, and even a front loader. Woohoo! Let's go see how many we can find. Come on! Whoa! Check it out! Do you see what this is? It's a cement mixer! Whoa! This one is really good at mixing and spinning all the cement. Woo! Yeah, cement is what a construction worker uses to build bridges and buildings and sidewalks. And a wheel like this called a drum. Yeah, these help to mix up all that cement. Woo! And right now, I am certainly being some pretty mixed up cement. It's important that a cement mixer keeps on spinning because if the cement stops moving, then it hardens. Yeah, this isn't good. I'm a little bit stuck because I was cement and now I'm frozen cement. So silly. Hey, I wonder what other vehicles we can see today. Wait a minute. I think I see one right over here. Come on. Whoa, check it out. Do you see what I see? Take a look. It's an excavator. Whoa, and this excavator looks so fun because it's not digging in the dirt. It's digging in a ball pit. Woohoo! Okay, time to try it out. This is so much fun playing with the excavator. Yeah, and look, I have 3 controls. A red control, a blue control, and a yellow control. Yeah, the red one controls the boom. The blue one controls the bucket. And the yellow one controls the arm. When you use all 3, you can scoop up everything you want. Okay, time to do some digging. Yeah, I'm trying to get all the ball pit balls into the crates. Let's see how many I can get, okay? Okay. Whoa! Did you see that? We got so many of the ball pit balls. Whoa! Let's see if we can dump them in the basket. Check it out, we got so many. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 gray ones. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white ones, and we got 10 blue ones. Whoa, I think we better keep on digging. So much fun to dig in the dirt. Yeah, if you're digging with your hand, you might get a little bit of dirt, but if you have an excavator on, you can get all the dirt. Or all the bouncy balls. It looks like we got a lot of the ball pit balls in those crates. We did it! Great job excavating. So we saw a cement mixer and we played with an excavator, but I think there's even more to explore. Come on! Woohoo! Whoa, check it out! It's another construction vehicle. Wait a minute. This is yellow just like an excavator. It has a bucket and a cab just like an excavator, but it does not have tracks. Whoa, look! It has big wheels and tires. Yeah, that's because this is a front loader. They are really big, powerful construction vehicles that help to scoop up all kinds of things. An excavator might scoop some dirt. But a front loader will scoop up tools, bricks, or even snow on a really cold and chilly day. Whoa, it's Well, we better get inside and start picking up some bricks and some snow and all kinds of things. Come on. Ooh, here we go. Time to start the engine. Time to start the engine. Huh. Doesn't look like the front loader's working. Oh, we better check the engine. Quick, come on. Uh-oh, it looks like the engine's broken. Aw, that's okay though. Looks like a job for Mechanic Blippi. Super Mechanic Powers Go! Woohoo! Whoa, that was some hard mechanic work. But it looks like the engine's better. Let's go see if it works. Come on. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Do you hear that? Yeah! It's the engine! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! I just love honking the horn of the front loader. And you know, a front loader can pick up tools and bricks and snow from the street, but do you know what else it can pick up? Blocks! Woo, come on! There are so many different shapes here, like a cylinder or a rhombus. Do you know the name of this shape? Yeah, that's right. It's a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 sides. Woohoo! Hey, look at this shape. It's a really big bow tie. I think this shape might be kind of hard to dance around with. It's a pretty big bow tie for me. Woo. Well, we have all these fun shapes. Maybe we can build something with them. Come on. Before we start building, we want to make sure our construction zone is safe. Okay, here we go. Woo. Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, time to build. Woohoo! Do you see what I made? A beautiful flower. It's a very blue flower. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Uh-oh, fell apart. But I think we can build something even better. Yeah! Let's use this piece and a circle and this hexagon and this fun noodle. Time to put it all together. Here we go! Whoa, check it out! It looks like a person! But our construction, experiment, building, creative art project thingy seems like it's missing something. Wait a minute. Do you see what's behind me? I know what this person's missing. Woo! Some cool, rad-looking shades. Well, this is gonna make them look a lot better. Okay, we need some shades and a couple other things. Here we go. Yeah! Ta-da! It's finished! Everyone, I would like to introduce you to my very good friend, Blocky! Hi, Blocky, how are you today? I'm feeling a little bit blue. Aw, I'm so sorry, Blocky. Don't be sad. We can have lots of fun together here at Dig It. Yeah, we're gonna dig things and learn about some more construction things. Well, don't feel blue. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Woohoo! Whoa! There are so many bricks here! This definitely feels like a construction site. A construction site for Dinosaur Blippi! So it looks like we made a mess, but that's okay. We're going to use these bricks to build something awesome. Yeah, it's always important to remember, when you make a mess, just clean up after yourself. Yeah, we have a lot of bricks here to make a really awesome building. Let's count all the bricks that we have. Are you ready? Can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. $1,133, $1,134, $1,135. Whew! That was a lot of counting. Good job. Well, how are we gonna move all of these bricks up to the top so we can build our building? Check it out! It's a conveyor belt! Yeah! Well, this will be perfect for moving all these bricks. Yeah. A conveyor belt moves heavy objects from one place to another place. At an airport, a conveyor belt moves all the luggage around. Yeah, all you do is you put a brick on the belt and turn this wheel. See you later, brick. See you later. Woo. Aw, yeah. Look at it go. Whoa, yeah. It does all the heavy lifting so you don't get too tired. Okay, it's time to move these bricks to the top. Then we can build our building! Woohoo! Here we go! Whoa! We did it! We got a bunch of bricks up top. I think that'll be enough. I'll see you up at the top. Look at all the bricks! They made it to the end of the conveyor belt. Oh, we have so many, we can build so many things. Maybe we should just make a little house. Okay, here we go. Oh, look, we did it. We made a little house. I love bricks. Oh, so cute. Well, this was fun. But you know what I want to do now? It's fun to go up the conveyor belt, but even more fun to go down the slide. Woohoo! Come on! See you at the bottom. Whoa! Did you see how fast I went? Yeah! Whoa, check it out! Do you know what else goes really fast? Race cars! Wait a minute. These have wheels like race cars, but these are more construction vehicles. Yeah! Check it out, it's a truck. Whoa, and look! An excavator arm, and an excavator track. An excavator! Whoa, and it even looks like we could build a backhoe. Hey, let's see how many construction vehicles we can build, and then let's race. Okay, here we go. First, let's race the trucks. Okay. Let's send them down to the bottom. Are you ready? Okay, drivers, start your engines! On your mark, get set, go! Whoa! Did you see how fast those race trucks went? Whoa, that was so fast. And it looks like truck number 2 was the winner. Let's race it again, come on. Well, who should we race truck number 2 with this time? Maybe the excavator. Okay, this is gonna be some bumpy racing. Okie doke, here we go. On your mark, get set, and go! Uh-oh, the excavator lost its bucket. Looks like we need a little more practice building. Yeah, it's so cool. You can build all kinds of vehicles to race. And whether they're heavy or light, they could go faster or slower. Okay, for this next time, let's race the biggest, best vehicle ever. And I have the perfect idea. check it out! It's a backhoe excavator garbage truck? Cool! Okay, let's see how fast this can go. Okay, start your engines, drivers! Here we go! Yeah! Whoa! Did you see that? It all broke apart! Well, that was one silly race. Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Today was so much fun! Yeah, I had so much fun being a construction worker and learning about cement mixers. Yeah, it's really good that this keeps turning so all that cement doesn't harden into one shape. Whoa! I'm a little bit dizzy. Wait a minute. Blocky, what are you doing here? Oh, are you still feeling a little bit blue? Well, that's okay. I know just how to cheer you up with the Blippi dance party. Dance along with us. All better. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with us? Great, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi, good job. Oh, and good job, Blocky. We'll see you soon, bye-bye. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. And can you guess where I am today? Yeah, that's right. We're here in Diggerland in Kent, England. Whoa, and do you see what I'm riding in? Yeah, this right here is a telehandler. Yeah, they're really big vehicles that lift really big, heavy things. But today, it's not lifting a big, heavy thing. It's lifting me. Woo, here we go. Woo! Whoa! Diggerland is awesome! And I wonder what kind of construction vehicles we'll see today. Wait a minute, do you hear something? I think I hear a vehicle. Do you see a construction vehicle behind me? Whoa, check it out! It's an excavator! Yeah! Well, I love excavators. Oh, I have an idea. Let's pretend to be excavators and dig in the dirt together. Okay, I'll teach you how. Just bring up your arm to be the arm, the boom, and the bucket, and start to scoop. Whoa, look at a scoop. Whoa, that was so much dirt. Good job. Hey, wait a minute. I think I see someone in the cab. Maybe they can teach us how to operate the excavator. Let's take a closer look. Come on. Whoa, it's so muddy here. Good thing I brought my rain boots. Oh, hey, there's a person. Come on, let's go say hi. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Blippi. What's your name?
My name's Brad.
Oh, Brad, it's nice to meet you. Can you teach us how to operate the excavator?
Of course I can.
Okay, cool. So, Brad, can I climb up in there?
Yes.
Okay,
Careful.
Here we go. Let's get into the cab.
So, seatbelt first for me.
Oh yeah, safety first.
That stick over there, I want you to pull it backwards for me, and that's gonna go all the way up.
Okay, here we go.
If you push it forwards for me, it should go all the way down for you. Now, if you go side to side on that one, it's gonna open and close your bucket for you to do big scoops.
Whoa, check it out!
Now, on this one here, if you go forwards and backwards for me, that's gonna go in and out.
Okay. Whoa! So this is controlling the arm.
Yes.
Whoa.
And then the last bit, if you go side to side on it, that will turn the whole thing for you.
Okay, here we go. Watch
Awesome.
out.
Watch out.
Whoa! Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Yeah, I can control the arm right here and the boom over here. Here we go. Woo! Whoa, this is awesome! Whoa, let's scoop some more dirt. Here we go. Whoa, look at all the dirt we got. Here we go. Did you see that? Whoa, excavators are awesome! Whoa, it's so bumpy. Woohoo! Whoa, that was so much fun learning how to operate the excavator. Huh, but excavators are really cool, but I bet there's some pretty amazing construction vehicles we can go find. Come on! Whoa! This place is so much fun! Whoa, and do you see what it says? It says stack attack. Wait a minute, I think this is a game we can play together. Well, let's go inside and play. This place is awesome! Whoa, check it out. Yeah, so muddy and dirty here. I bet this game is definitely gonna be messy. Whoa, and look at what it is. They're giant tires. Woo! Whoa, look at all the tires here. It looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tires. Well, I bet the game is we need to stack all the tires up. Stack, attack, stack the tires. Okay, we can do it. Okay, we just need to get a tire and stack it on another, and we can make a tower of tires. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that tire is way too heavy to pick up. But I wonder how we're going to stack all of those tires. No way! Look at what it is. It's a compact loader. Whoa! This is gonna be perfect for stacking those tires. Yeah, do you see in the front? This is a hydraulic claw. Yeah, look at it. Whoa! And it uses these little claws here to grab the tires and stack them up. Whoa, I think we should get inside and try to stack up those tires. Whoa, this is pretty fun. Hey, it's kind of like any other vehicle. Safety first, you need your seatbelt. Okay, we'll buckle up. And well, we also need to know how to drive it. So first, we have pedals. One pedal goes forward, and the other pedal, it goes backwards. It has a key, just like a car, so we can turn it on, and a steering wheel, so we can change direction. Whoa, and do you see what this is? Yeah, this right here, this is the control for the hydraulic claw. Yeah, when we move this, it will move the claw so we can stack up those tires and have lots of fun and win the game. Okay, I think it's time to stack those tires. Here we go. Woo! Look at it go! Whoa! Whoa, look at it go! Okay, here we go. One tire! Okay. Whee! We stacked 3 tires, but we need to stack the rest. We only have 1 more tire! Whoa, this is so fun! Let's do it! Woo! Okay. we stacked all 6 tires, but they fell over. That was pretty fun and a little bit silly. Come on, let's go! Woo! Hello! Check it out! Do you know what I was just driving? Yeah, that is a backhoe! Yeah, it's a little bumpy to drive, but so fun! And I thought we could go on a ride together. But first, I wanted to show you this. Yeah, do you know what this is called? It's called the front bucket. Yeah, and on a backhoe, it helps to dig up all the dirt so you can make a really big hole and help to build something if you're on a construction site. Whoa, and check it out. A backhoe has really big wheels and tires. Yeah, look, it has medium-sized front wheels and tires and really big back wheels and tires. It's a little bit muddy. Yeah, look, big treads help to get all the mud so it can go really fast and so that it doesn't get stuck. Whoa, and do you see what this is? Yeah, it's an excavator arm. Wait a minute, a backhoe like this has an excavator arm attachment, just like the Blippi mobile has an excavator arm attachment. Yeah, it has an arm, a boom, and a bucket, so it can dig all the dirt in the back, or the front bucket can dig in the front. Well, it was really cool showing you the exterior of the backhoe. Now, it's time to get inside and go for a ride. Come on. Here we go. Watch your step. Whoa, I am so excited to go on a ride with you. But first things first, you need to buckle your seatbelt. And I'm gonna buckle up too. Safety first. Okay, and now we get to start the backhoe. And kind of like a car, it has a key right over here. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Yeah, check it out. We're inside the backhoe. It has a wheel just like a car, and look, oh, a windshield wiper. Hello. Okay, but it's not raining right now, so we don't need that. And it has a gear shifter, so we'll put that into the right gear and take the brake away. Okay. Okay, we're all ready to drive. Oh, but I forgot another important thing. Yeah, if we want to move the front bucket, we just move this knob right over here. Here we go. Check it out. Whoa, up, down, up. Okay, I think we're ready to drive. Here we go. Woo! Do you see what it is? Yeah, there's a bunch of tires. Maybe we can try to pick one up. Okay, here we go. Whoa, do you see it? Look, we grabbed a tire with the front bucket. And I have an idea. Let's take it with us on our journey. Woo, here we go. Whoa, that was a big bump. Yeah, but it's so fun driving in a backhoe because the tires and treads are so big that even if we drive over a couple bumps, it's okay. Yeah, can't hurt us. Here we go. We're gonna make a big turn. Whoa! And through a big puddle. Woo! Whoa! Oh, good thing we have our seatbelt on. Wait a minute. Look up ahead. It looks like there are 2 really big hills. 1, 2. One of them looks really steep and really big. You think we can make it over it? Good, me too. Okay, we're gonna go really fast and go over the big hill. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! really raining now, which means we get to have lots of fun in the rain and the mud. Whoa, and look at what it is. It's an excavator. Yeah, look, there's the cab where workers sit to control, the boom, the arm, and the bucket. Wait a minute, that's not the bucket. Those are seats. You know what? I bet we can ride this excavator. Yeah, this isn't any ordinary excavator. This is Spin Dizzy. And it's a ride. Yeah, it's called Spin Dizzy because you spin and get really dizzy. Okay, let's get on it. Woo! Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Look at me go! Whoa! 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 That was so fun! Woo! Whoa! Did you see that? Whoa! That was so much fun spinning in the excavator. I got a little bit dizzy. Whoa! That was so much fun today at Diggerland. We saw so many construction vehicles and we got to operate them. We even got to see an excavator. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, get ready. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi, good job. Well, I'll see you soon, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.